Hi guys, what's up? What's going on? Hope you are good. In this video, I want to show you how to use the 200 USDT 0% interest voucher on Binance accelerated margin. And before I start, kindly subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our educative videos on trading, investing, and online business. And without further ado, let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is head over to binance.com, log in, and navigate to your user icon and click on Reward Center. The same process is applicable for your mobile device. You need to navigate to your user icon and make sure that you click on your Reward Center. Okay, so this is the Reward Center, and I currently have a 200 USDT 0% interest voucher, and I'm going to be redeeming it. So I'll click on redeem. So it's asking me to choose a particular trading pair. So this interest voucher, this 0% interest voucher can only be used on isolated margin trades. So I need to choose a particular trading pair that I want to use it for. And for no particular reason, I've been trading Bitcoin Cash lately, so I'm going to be using BCH USDT trading pair. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm and redeem. Okay, so now I've redeemed the 0% interest voucher, and before I go ahead and start trading, I need to let you know that this is not a trading capital. This is just giving you 0% interest on up to $200 loan. Okay, and for those of you that have been trading Binance margin, you know that you can trade with more than your initial capital. That is, you are trading with leverage. So if I'm trading with 5x leverage, that means I'm trading with 5 times my capital. I'm actually borrowing the other capital, the other four times my capital. So, and I need to pay interest on it. And what this voucher is letting me do is have 0% interest on up to $200. Okay, so I'm going to click on start trading. So once I clicked on start trading, it brought me to the BCH USDT isolated margin wallet where I can actually borrow. Okay, so before I click on borrow, I'm going to close this. I would head over to trade and click on margin. Okay, so I'm clicking on margin. It brought me to the Binance Classic trading view. So I'm going to click on margin because I want to do margin trade. I'll click on BCH USDT 10x, BCH USDT 10x, and I'm going to choose. I'll scroll down, and for my margin, I'm going to choose isolated 10x margin. Okay, so now in the isolated 10x margin, I will first need to transfer some capital in so that I can now borrow 10 times the capital. Okay, then I can now trade. Okay, so I'm going to click on transfer, and I'll click on USDT. I'm going to transfer. Since I can trade up to $200 USDT without borrowing loan, I'm going to send in $20 so that when I'm trading 10x, which is 10 times my capital, 20 times 10 is $200. Okay, so I'll be able to trade $200 and they are not going to charge me any interest on that. Okay, so I'm sending $20 in. Let me click on confirm. Okay, so now that I've sent $20 in, the next thing I need to do is go and click on borrow. So I click on borrow, and I always advise newbie to start by borrowing USDT. Make sure you borrow USDT because it's stable. You can always pay it back instead of borrowing crypto that if the price increases so much, you now need more capital to go and buy it and pay it back. Okay, so I'll click on 100%. So I'm going to borrow 180 which when I add it to my $20 is going to complete $200. Okay, so I click on confirm borrow. So now that I've borrowed about $180 loan and I have $200 trading capital, I'm not going to be charged any interest for a period of about 7 days. So let me check again. This is the reward center, and as you can see here, this voucher is valid till February 05 2021. That's like a week from now. Okay, so right now I'm not going to be charged any fee for the loan, any interest for the loan I borrowed for the next 7 days. So I can now go ahead and trade. So I'm not going to be jumping into this trade anyhow. I'll need to first know what's up. So I'll head over to my trading view. So this trading view, I need to switch to Bitcoin Cash because that's what I want to be trading right now. So from what I see here, the last stop we had in Bitcoin Cash was here, and right now we are having another bottom right here. So if you are buying, it's always good to buy at the support, buy low or at the support, and sell high. So right now I am going to be buying Bitcoin Cash here and hopefully sell around here. Okay, so around 427. Okay, so so that's what I am going to be doing, and my stop loss will be around here. My stop loss will be around there. I usually set tight stop loss, do you understand, in case markets start falling. So my stop loss will be around here. I'm choosing this low as my stop loss. So my take profit, let me change the color to blue. So I want to take profit here or have my stop loss here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to buy. So with this 200 USDT, I'm going to buy with 50%. Yeah, I'm quite aggressive, so I'm going to buy with 50%. So on a normal day I don't exceed 25%, but on this $200 I'm going to buy with about 50%. Choose the price of seller and buy. Okay, so I just bought, if you come here, you see that I just bought 0.23 BCH. Okay, so this 0.23 BCH, the next thing to do is I'm going to set a stop loss. So I'll click on stop limit order. So a stop limit order is like a stop loss. Okay, so, and for those of you that are wondering why am I buying 50%, most times it's not good to buy with all your capital. There's no point entering a single trade with all your capital because nothing is certain. Nothing is certain in trading. Trading is a probability game. So once you know that you can be wrong and nothing is certain, then you know that you need to manage your risk well. So I'm just using 50% and I'm still going to set stop loss. So where are we putting our stop loss? We are putting our stop loss at 404. So in case this start dropping, 404.07. So in case it start dropping and it gets to 404.1, I want to have an automated order to sell at 404.07, and I want to sell everything. So I click on sell BCH. And for those who don't know, margin trade on Binance actually has more advantage than futures trading, because here when you sell, you still have the loan that you borrowed, you have part of the capital, and even though it's a losing trade, you can still maneuver your way and trade and maybe eventually you make money. Do you understand? So unlike futures trade that once it's closed, the contract is closed. Okay, so I'm going to click on sell, confirm. So right now I now have an open order, and in this open order it's going to automatically sell it when price gets to 404. Okay, so by doing that I'm going to reduce my loss. So in case you want to set a stop loss and a take profit at the same time, you can use an OCO order, that is one cancel another. So here here this stop limit will serve as your stop loss, and this price here will serve as your take profit. Okay, exit. So another thing I do is, if I place a trade, I usually come here and tick it that I have an active trade on Bitcoin Cash, so I'll be watching it. Okay, so that's all about using the 200 USDT 0% interest voucher. It's most likely, if I still have this trade on after 5th February 2021, by this time I'm going to receive an email that they'll start charging me interest. And funny enough, the interest is usually very, very low. Let me come to borrow and show you. This is like the cheapest interest you can get. See the hourly interest rate. Every hour they will charge you 0.0008333%. That is very, very low. It's like the cheapest thing. And if you know how to make use of leverage, that is, you don't use it every time, but you find the right opportunity to make use of it, it's like always having somebody to borrow you money, you know, whenever you want to do business. So if you can reduce the amount of time you use leverage, maybe 4 or 5 times in a month, and you get the perfect time, you're going to be making money. Okay, so I hope I've been able to explain to you how to use the 200 USDT 0% interest voucher on Binance. If you have any question, kindly put it down in the comment section below. And if you'd like me to also discuss any particular topic, or do a video tutorial on any particular coin, also put it down in the comment section below. And before you leave, kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so that you won't miss any of our educative videos on trading, investing, and online business. And until next time, my friend, keep learning. Bye.